Unity Systems Solutions. CPU and chipset. Intel Core i5-1235U processor, 12 MB smart cache, 1.3 GHz performance core with Intel Turbo Boost technology 2.0 up to 4.4 GHz, supporting hybrid core architecture with performance core and efficient core. Input and output. USB standard A3, USB standard A ports, supporting 3 ports for USB 3.2 Gen 1. HDMI 2.1 port with HDCP support. DC in jack for AC adapter. Ethernet, RJ45 port. 3.5mm headphone, speaker jack, supporting headsets with built-in microphone. 8 GB of DDR4 system memory, upgradable to 32 GB using 2 SODA modules. Dual-channel DDR4 SDRAM support. Hard disk drive 1TB 2.5-inch 5400 RPM. Graphics Intel UHD Graphics Special Technology OpenGL 4.6 OpenCL 3.0 Microsoft DirectX 12.1 Intel QuickSync Video. Screen. 15.6 inches Full HD 1920x1080, high brightness Acer Comfy View trademark LED backlit 5 TFT LCD. 16:9 aspect ratio. Ultra slim design. Mercury free, environment friendly. Webcam T-Type HD camera 1280 by 720 resolution 720p HD blue glass lens. Keyboard 99, 100, 103 key Acer keyboard layout with international language support including indicators of caps lock and F4, microphone mute. Touchpad. Multi-gesture touchpad, supporting 2-finger scroll, pinch, gestures to open Cortana, Action Center, multitasking, application commands. Microsoft Precision Touchpad certification, moisture resistant. Power adapter and battery life power adapter 3-pin 45W AC adapter. 94W X39 D by 26.5 H mm 3.70 by 1.54 x 1.04 inches. 142 grams with 150 centimeters DC cable battery, 40 watt-hours, 3-cell Li-ion battery life up to 5.5 hours. Audio, 2 built-in stereo speakers, 2 built-in digital microphones.